What's going on, YouTube? Today I'll be putting a phone cover for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I just recently purchased. Just got my order from Amazon. Shipping just came in. Let's start it. Let's open it up. So this is supposed to be the phone cover. It comes with the screen protector and everything. It's supposed to be waterproof case also, and shock proof, dirt proof, waterproof, snow proof, scratch resistant. And that's the number. See the back. So let's open it. Oh wow. Okay, installation checklist, study instruction booklet available. Water test prior to installing phone. Correctly install phone in the case. Ensure all ports and seams tightly closed. Everyday use checklist. After major drop, inspect case for any damage and ensure all seams are closed. And then perform water test without phone at regular interval after major impact and before major water exposure. Ensure all seals and O-ring are free of dust, fibers, and debris before closing case. Rinse case thoroughly with fresh water after exposure to chemicals including soap, detergent, and chlorine. Back up your data regularly if you engage in activity where there may be potential. I'm not sure what these wires are, but let's take a closer look. Let's read it. Oh, this is to clean the phone. Okay. Okay, get the phone case. Okay. The little wire. It's nice. I don't know what's this for. This is the opener. Okay, this is to open the case. Okay, the book. Let's go. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what the hell is the cord for. Alright, well, let's take a look at the case. Wait, where's my screen protector actually? Don't tell me that's right there. So I guess that's a screen protector right there. See? Oh, that's a weak. I thought it'd be glass or something. See, just a regular plastic screen protector. Alright, let's try it out. Okay, just clean it up real quick. I'm gonna put the front in first. Oh, make sure you line it up with everything. The buttons on the side. Okay, boom. Push it in firmly. See, nice and tight. Clean it up the back before I put the back piece. Put the back piece on. Yeah, press it real firm. It's kind of hard to pull out. It's like stuck. There you go. See, for the headphone. Alright, there you have it. The waterproof case. I'm gonna have to get another one. Not a waterproof one, but like I'm gonna have to get a real screen, like a glass screen protector. Cause definitely don't want to crack my phone. As you can see, it's my old phone right here. Yeah, cracked it bad right here. That's the reason why I got a new phone. So, and this plastic is definitely not gonna help it, but hopefully the case will try to take majority of the impact if I do drop it. But overall, the case looks good. Plastic though, everything's all plastic. You know, it is a waterproof case. So yeah, let me know what you think. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Peace and love. Oh, by the way, the wire, I think this is just an extension for your headphone. So you wanna, boom, make it whatever. And this goes in the side right here.